Good morning, this Tuesday, the 18th of April. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. US equities kicked off earnings week on a positive note with all three major benchmarks making gains overnight. In fact, all three major benchmarks closed 0.3% higher. US financials will be in focus this week with the Bank of America reporting tonight and Morgan Stanley reporting on Wednesday. Investors have been keeping a close eye on the banking sector after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank last month. European markets closed mixed. Germany's DAX, France's CAC and the STOXX 600 were all lower, while the FTSE 100 rose just 0.1% by the close. As for what to watch today, the Australian market is set to open 0.23% lower this morning, according to the SPI futures. And BHP's takeover of Oz Minerals was approved yesterday and will be finalised in early May. In December last year, Oz Minerals announced that it had entered a scheme implementation deed with BHP. The implementation date is May 2nd, when BHP will pay $26.50 per OZL share as the scheme consideration, and Oz Minerals will pay $1.75 per OZL share as a fully franked special dividend. In economic data today, the RBA's meeting minutes will be released at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, which will provide us some insights into the meeting when the central bank decided to hold the cash rate steady for the first time in 10 months. And attention this week will be on China's gross domestic product report. That will be out on Tuesday, and UK CPI numbers, which will be out on Wednesday. In commodities, the oil price is trading over 2% lower as concerns mounted that further rate hikes from the Fed will hurt growth even more. However, also note that GDP growth data out from China that's due to be released tomorrow, that should offer some relief for a fall in oil demand. Gold is 0.4% lower as investors continue to assess the monetary policy outlook, while iron ore is trading flat. And Auckland International Airport, that's AIA, and Hub24 HUB, they're set to release their quarterly reports today, so keep watch of those share price movements today. And to end on some trading ideas, well, Bell Potter have initiated coverage on Brickworks with a buy rating. BKW is a building materials and property developer, and Bell Potter says that on face value, the company looks reasonably priced relative to listed peers. However, a high presence of equity accounting masks what is relatively low cost exposure to a residential housing recovery, with BKW's core building products business trading at an approximately 11% discount to the peer group. Bell Potter's price target is $27. At the stock's current share price of $23.56, this implies 14.6% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in core lithium CXO, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of 93 cents to the range of $1.12 to $1.16 over 17 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.